Okay guys, video number 2, we're going to add some eyeshadow to her. So what we want to do first is let's go ahead and add a blank layer. Let's go ahead and rename it just so we don't get confused. I renamed it eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to use the eyedropper to sample her lip color. And it should turn your foreground color a shade of pink. Now I'm going to get the paintbrush and I can increase the opacity a bit. We'll go with 50% to start off with. And I'm going to zoom in on her eye. We'll do one eye at a time. Okay, now what you're going to do is just kind of paint. You don't want to go over it too much because it'll add layers of that color since we've changed the opacity to 50%. Okay, so after we've done that, let me zoom out just a little bit. Now what we're going to do, we're still on this eyeshadow layer. We're going to use the Dodge tool, midtones, 30% exposure, and I'm going to increase the brush size. Make sure it's a soft brush. And I'm just going to kind of lighten right here in the middle. And then you want to do the same thing on this side. And then you're going to use the burn tool, 40% exposure. Increase the brush size. And you're going to kind of burn right around the outside. Now it's really pink now. So what we're going to do is go to edit, or let's go to image adjustments, and let's try hue saturation to begin with. I'm going to move this out of the way. Alright, we can kind of go through the hues until we get one we like. Probably not much off what we have, but I'm going to change it just a little bit. I'm going to decrease the lightness to make it just a little bit darker. Hit OK. Alright, now let's try some other things. We'll go to image adjustments, maybe levels. Let's see what we can do there. Alright, and what I want to do is decrease the opacity. And let's look at the before and after. Okay, and that's how to add eyeshadow.